A court directive, a festive tradition, and rising tensions. Thiruparangundram in Madurai witnessed a day of confrontation during the Kartigai Deepam celebrations. The conflict began after a hilltop Deevathoon lamp at the Arulmigu Subramania Swami temple was not lit despite a Madras High Court order directing the temple administration and police to facilitate it. Hindu groups, including Hindu Munnani and BJP functionaries, protested against the non-compliance. A section of demonstrators breached barricades near the 16-pillar mandapam, leading to pushing and shoving. One police officer was injured in the clash. Justice G.R. Swaminathan had ordered that the lamp should be lit by 6 p.m. and later permitted petitioner Rama Ravikumar and 10 others to lit it themselves with CISF protection if officials failed to act. Following this, around 60 CISF personnel were deployed from the Madurai bench to escort the petitioners, an uncommon central force intervention in a local religious matter. Meanwhile, the Tamil Nadu government filed an urgent appeal against the order, citing concerns about communal sensitivity near the Sikandar Badshah Dargah. Security around the hill has been significantly tightened. Over 4,000 police personnel have been deployed, drone surveillance is active, and prohibitory orders under Section 144 in place. The hilltop lamp remained unlit through the evening with only the customary mid-hill lighting performed. Police have registered cases in connection with the clashes and so far arrested 13 people, including BJP State Youth Wing Secretary S.G. Surya. 2 officers were injured during the attempts to control the crowd. In parallel legal developments, the additional chief public prosecutor has filed an appeal before the administrative judge of the Madurai bench seeking to quash Justice Swaminathan's order permitting the hilltop lighting. A separate petition on behalf of the district collector Praveen Kumar seeks a say on the contempt petition filed by the original petitioner challenging the single judge's directive. During the hearing, the bench asked whether the Deevathoon pillar was older than the temple. The state said an ancient pillar exists, but its age in relation to the temple is unclear. The government argued that lighting the Deepam at 2 locations could hurt religious sentiments and noted that the hilltop lamp has not been lit for more than a century. The judges in turn questioned how lighting a lamp once a year for a few hours could lead to such public tension. They noted that despite a clear timeline set by the single judge, the temple administration made no arrangements to implement the order, prompting contempt proceedings. The bench noted that communal harmony requires allowing all traditions to be observed peacefully and adjourned the matter temporarily.